CryptoSlo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSlo with more crypto gains. Today's topic is the 310 Bitcoin challenge. So this guy has put out this challenge claiming that there are 310 Bitcoin and that the private key has been hidden inside this image. And then there's also 0.1 Bitcoin, 0.2 Bitcoin, and 0.31 Bitcoin. Supposedly 0.1 BTC has been solved already. So the addresses have been verified that this Bitcoin does exist. So view address, and it does indeed show that there it is. There's 310 Bitcoin to be had. There we grab that. So the question is, how do you get this Bitcoin? Well, supposedly the information, the private keys, has been hidden inside this image. So let's take a bigger look at this image. There's all kinds of crazy stuff going on here. Well, the internet is blowing up with people trying to solve this problem. There is actually a Reddit page where people are posting things that they've found, and not really clues, but there is some how-tos and what's public knowledge. There is a Bitcoin forum thread where people are talking about it. There's even a 310 Bitcoin Discord where people are actively trying to solve this problem. Well, there's only one or two videos, and the first attempts were people using some cryptographic image software to extract planes, and they find a QR code and it takes you to a registration page where you can put in a hash to try to collect your Bitcoin. So, and once again, this guy basically says he is an early adopter of Bitcoins, I mined them, I'm super rich, blah blah blah. But it's a very, very interesting challenge. So I will try to post updates to the comments as they occur, and this is going to be very interesting because we're talking $2 million in Bitcoin if somebody solves this cryptographic puzzle. So stay tuned. This is CryptoSlo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.